Welcome to this immaculate and spacious two-bedroom, two-bath corner unit on the first floor at Bravura II, located in Aventura, Florida. This condo has been fully renovated, including the kitchen with new cabinets, new quartz countertops, and new stainless steel appliances, and leads to an open concept layout where you can see the dining area and the living area. The living area is very spacious and features a enclosed wraparound balcony overlooking the garden. Here is the guest bedroom, which can be used as an office as well. The guest bathroom has been totally redone. Modern, white, clean look. Very nice. Now we're going to the master bedroom, which is very spacious and filled with natural light and has enough space to put a little sofa. Very nice. It has plenty of closet space. There is an open walk-in closet that one can use as a regular closet or a seating area. The master bathroom has been totally updated, also with a white, modern, clean look. And this condo is located minutes away from the Aventura Mall, shopping, dining area, beaches, and major highways. The amenities include a swimming pool, fitness center, barbecue area, laundry room, and a bike storage place. And this condo has one assigned parking space and complete Accordion shutters.